one-page questions. But in English, many questions are made with the use of prepositions. Many questions in English end in prepositions. Informal and formal English places a preposition at the end of a sentence. When a question word is the object of a preposition, the preposition most often occurs at the end of the sentence. There are many prepositions in English, and that means that the sentences can end in many different prepositions. Let's look at some examples. Where are you from? Who are you with? What are you looking at? What are they talking about? Who are you waiting for? What are you working on? Which school did you go to? What are you interested in? And the short questions. What for? Purpose. Who for? Recipient. Where to? Toward the direction. What with? Method or tools.